Petro is an unassuming little coupe, but don't let the mild appearance fool you. He's a Corsa for a reason. Racing is in his oil lines, and he knows how to analyse racing circuits and to find the quickest path to victory. From the moment he saw his longtime racer, Miguel Camino, take the checkered flag at Circuit de Catalunya, Petro knew that he had a shot at taking the World Grand Prix by storm. Now, Cartalina is a two-door 2009 Vauxhall, or in this case Opel, Corsa. Now, he has a fairly similar design elements to his main racer, Miguel Camino. Been made of pretty much the same shade of yellow. Got the red and black, and the black stars, and all of that stuff. Just in a smaller package, if that's what you can call it. Let's have a look at him. So he's probably telling Miguel something like oh, here we go, look. I don't know, Max Schnell's coming up behind you. You better move out the way. Or whatever. Or you'll probably find Spanish, to be honest, but a very unique expression, to say the least. And I genuinely never noticed that on him. I thought it was just a typical expression. There you go, he's got a little black star on him. He's got the World Grand Prix Spanish flag logo, or whatever you want to call it. There's kind of a, blocked by the headset. Same thing with the little red and yellow rectangle bits and whatever. Right behind the front wheel arch. And well, look at that, dual exhaust pipes. Silver, chrome, whatever. A very realistic Opel logo, and because me and Mattel are so nitpicky, they even had a little Corsa logo as well. Now I'm genuinely impressed by that. Genuinely. Now his number plate reads, was that 0223? Don't know what the significance of that is. Here we go. You can see the side best now, the black star and the red and yellow bit I was talking about, and the World Grand Prix Spanish flag logo. I don't know. I don't even know at this point. Do I?